students, welcome to the Veggie Seed Gardening Education Kit. My name is Julie and I'm so excited to be growing with you this season. Together, we are going to learn all about how to plant a veggie garden from seed, how to care for it, the science behind gardening, how to harvest the veggies we grow, and how to use our harvest in delicious recipes. So, not only are we going to become gardeners this season, we are also going to become scientists and chefs. As we grow, we will learn all about germination, fun topics like photosynthesis, the ecosystem, the plant life cycle, and more. Growing from seed is really cool because we get to see the entire process from our plants being tiny little seeds to growing into big, strong plants. In this kit, you have been given 6 seed packets which include tomato, basil, cucumber, squash, radish, and spinach. Over the next few weeks, we will be learning how to plant these different seeds and fun facts about these different plant types. Be sure to watch all of your video lessons every single week for the next 10 weeks as we grow to make sure that your brand new garden gets everything it needs and you don't miss out on any important lessons. Gardening is a hands-on way to explore science, connect with nature, and enjoy the great outdoors. I'm so excited to grow alongside you this season, students. Let's dig in and I'll see you soon.